Look in all the drawers.
What drawers? It's not in here.
Oh,
Can't get into the drawers.
you can't get into the drawers?
No, I can't open it.
I'll bet you can. I'll bet if you work really hard.
But I don't want to work on it.
Oh, okay.
Did you bought this for me?
That's from Grandma Judy and Grandpa Seebacker.
Yeah, she bought it for me.
I would look in the oven and see if there's any pots and pans.
What pan?
Look in the oven.
What oven? What oven?
You have an oven in there.
What oven? Where is it?
In your kitchen, beside the refrigerator.
In my refrigerator?
Yeah.
It's empty.
Well, you gotta put stuff in it. Hang on, honey. Can you pull his kitchen out a little bit so he can get... Now, show him where the oven's. Oh, careful!
Oh, look at the plate. The door. I'm gonna put it back in.
Here's your oven.
In my oven with my spatula. Here's my spatula.
That's your pan. Put that on there. Oh, sit it up there. Show him how to set that pan on there. It should boil.
Mom, I can't. It works?
It's almost like that.
No, that's what it's supposed to do. It's
That
turning
one
around.
won't. This one will.
Press that pan on them. It's frying.
What?
It's frying.
It's my pan.
Yeah.
The pan. That won't work.
It's just pretend.
Yeah, it's a fridge tray. I need to get some cups.
That's a salt and pepper shaker. And that's to wash your dishes.
No.
Yeah, it's just pretend. Yep, putting salt and pepper on there.
Nah. Yeah, it's not. That's my pan.
Yeah.
Don't press it.
It's really close, Amber.
This one won't work.
Everybody can go back to bed. We don't need to open any more presents. Do you like that?
Don't press that. I have to stop, Mommy.
Do you like that?
My pan, I can't